In this quick tutorial, you'll learn how to use the if function in Excel to check whether your expenses go over budget. Here, we have a table with different expenses, their budgeted amounts, and actual spending. We'll use the if formula to compare the actual amount with the budgeted one. If actual is greater, we mark it as over budget. Otherwise, it's within budget. Let's write the formula. First, we click on the cell where we want the result to appear. Then, we type the equal sign, followed by the word if. Now we write our condition. We're comparing the actual amount with the budgeted amount, so we write C5 greater than B5. This means, if the actual value in C5 is greater than the budgeted value in B5, then Excel will return over budget. If that condition is not true, it will return within budget. Finally, we press Enter, and the result appears in the cell. As you can see, train tickets went over budget, so Excel displays over budget. But for accommodation and meals, the actual cost is within budget, so it shows within budget. This is one of the most practical ways to use the if function for budget tracking in Excel. You got it. In the next videos, we'll explore even more useful functions. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. See you soon.